Good morning to all of you. Myself is Somshekar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Saranvi Government Science College, Bhadravati. Welcome to my 7th session of the unit Orthogonal Trajectory, which comes under the chapter Differential Equations. In the last session, we learned the working rule of finding equation of OT for both Cartesian and polar family of course. In this session, we are going to see some problems of finding equation of OT, especially in the Cartesian family of course. Let me have some problems. Find the equation of OT for this Cartesian family of course, where A is a parameter. And this is the given family of course, call it as 1. We already know to get equation of OT, the first step is differentiate 1 with respect to x. The derivative of y square with respect to x is 2y into the derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to 4a is a constant. The derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Now I have to remove the arbitrary constant a between 1 and 2. In the equation 2, directly we have the 4a value. So substitute 4a value in the equation 1 and definitely a is removed. Substituting 4a value in the equation 1, now 1 implies y square is equal to 4a is 2y into dy by dx into x. Now y gets cancelled. Y is equal to 2x into dy by dx. Here a is removed and therefore apply the orthogonal condition. Replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. Y is equal to 2x into minus dx by dy. Solve this equation. We can solve this equation just by separating the variables. After cross multiplication, we have 2x into dx is equal to minus y into dy. Keep negative sign always on the right hand side. After this operation, integrate. On integration, we have 2 into the integration of x is x square by 2 is equal to minus the integration of y is y square by 2 plus in the denominator everywhere 2 is there, and therefore we can avoid this constant of this fraction by taking the constant of integration as c by 2. Multiply throughout by 2, 2 gets cancelled, 2x square, 2 gets cancelled, minus y square, bring this to left hand side, it becomes positive of y square is equal to 2 gets cancelled, it will be c. And this is the required equation of OT. Let me have another problem. I have to find the equation of OT for this family of course, where A is a parameter. And this is the given family of course, call this as 1. Differentiate with respect to x, 2 by 3 into x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1, it is minus 1 by 3, plus 2 by 3 into y to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1, it is minus 1 by 3, into the derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx, is equal to, here a is a constant, so the derivative will be 0. Now I have to remove a value between 1 and 2, but please observe in the equation 2, we have no a value. Here already a is removed. Therefore, to this equation, apply the orthogonal condition. Before applying the orthogonal condition, bring this to simple form. Divided by 2 by 3 throughout. 2 by 3 gets cancelled. Now bring this to denominator. 1 by x to the power of 1 by 3. 2 by 3 gets cancelled. Bring this to denominator. 1 by y to the power of 1 by 3 into dy by dx is equal to 0. Now apply the orthogonal condition. Replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. Solve this equation. Now we can solve this equation just by separating the variables. 1 by x to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to, bring this negative term to the right hand side, we have, it becomes positive. Positive of 1 by y to the power of 1 by 3 dx by dy. Separate the variables. After cross multiplication, we have this. X to the power of 1 by 3 into dx is equal to y to the power of 1 by 3 into dy. After the separation, integrate. On integration, x to the power of 1 by 3 the integration of x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 x to the power of 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 sorry for the disturbance. X to the power of 1 by 3, the integration of x to the power of 1 by 3 is x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 x to the power of 4 by 3 by that new index 4 by 3 is equal to y to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 y to the power of 4 by 3 by that new index 4 by 3 plus in the denominator everywhere we have 4 by 3, so take the constant as c by 4 by 3. Multiply throughout by 4 by 3, everywhere 4 by 3 gets cancelled. X to the power of 4 by 3, bring this to left hand side, minus of y to the power of 4 by 3 is equal to c, and this is the required equation of 40. Please do these exercise problems and follow these references. Thank you for watching and see you in the next session.